I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making chocolate covered vanilla fudge. Stick around. Greetings my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Tonight's treat is inspired by my failure in creating another treat. Twice. If you're interested in hearing how that happened, stick around. If not, feel free to skip ahead to the actual recipe. Still here? Sweet. I was going to make a dual layer fudge, one layer of which was vanilla. It was one of those easy microwavable fudges like some we've made in the past. The ingredients were 1/2 tablespoon of melted butter, 1/3 cup of sweetened condensed milk, and 3/4 cup of white chocolate chips. When I finished the recipe though, the vanilla layer wasn't fudge at all. It was a chewy nougat, which was totally unacceptable for the treat I was trying to make. When I tasted the chewy nougat though, it reminded me of a commercial candy bar from my childhood, so I decided to make that. It used the same ingredients with the addition of 1 cup of chocolate for dipping. I followed the same directions as my previous attempt, but the result wasn't a chewy nougat, it was vanilla fudge. So I thought, well, while there's nothing wrong with the tasty vanilla fudge, I'm not sure it has enough oomph for an RMC episode. It's a little too vanilla. So what would I do? Then I thought, well, I can still dip it in chocolate. That sounds pretty good, but still not quite enough. So I rummaged through my pantry and found some cacao nibs. Eureka! I decided that 3 tablespoons of cacao nibs as a topping would make it a truly tasty treat. For hardware, I used a 4x4 baking pan, some parchment paper, a mixing bowl, a silicone bowl, a spatula, and a couple of precision dipping tools. Okay, let's make some candy. Line the baking pan and set it aside. In the mixing bowl, add the butter, sweetened condensed milk, and white chocolate chips. Microwave it for 30 seconds, then give it a stir. Back in the microwave for another 15 seconds, and another stir. Repeat this until all of the chips have melted and everything is fully combined. Don't overheat it though, I think that might be how I ended up with the chewy nougat. Spread the mixture into the baking pan. And refrigerate it until it's completely set, at least an hour. Cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And place them on a lined cutting board. Place the candy back in the refrigerator while you temper your chocolate. Dip a piece of fudge into the chocolate. Allow the excess to drain. Place it on a lined cutting board and add some cacao nibs. Repeat with the remaining pieces and allow them to rest on the counter until the chocolate is set. And that's it! Okay, let's give it a try. Sláinte. Nice snap from the tempered chocolate. The crunch of the nibs creates a really nice textural counterpoint to the smooth and creamy fudge. The flavors work very nicely together. The vanilla fudge is very sweet, the chocolate's mildly sweet, and the nibs add just a touch of bitterness. So there you have it. I failed twice, so you don't have to. You really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. 108